Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your project. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. So we have here first of all VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, QEMU in the table. If each offers unique features and capabilities, catering different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In this comparison, we will break down the strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization project. Let's dive in. So first of all, we have VMware.com. VMware, as you can see, we have firstly is the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for applications, edge infrastructure, and private EA. Also, we have here introducing VMware Cloud Foundation 9. Broadcom involves the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation. Then we have the cloud solutions for your business. First, app platform, build, deploy, manage, and scale modern apps. We have cloud infrastructure, deploy fully integrated private cloud infrastructure solutions. Then we have networking also. Furthermore, we have security and moreover software defined each. Then we have also trending topics, EBM, and VMware will help enterprises adapt to native EA. We have announcing general availability of VMware Private EA Foundation with NVIDIA. Then we have VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership, white paper, and we have Syrian Cloud's new developer data and security services. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and reduced security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing its IT infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. Then we have the second one, which is VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. Its key benefits include being cost effective as it's free to use and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface snapshot capabilities for easy state restoration and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of guest operating systems and an active community for resources. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and tech enthusiasts alike. First of all, we have a powerful open source virtualization for personal and enterprise use. We have VirtualBox is a general purposeful virtualization software for your hardware, and we have web version here additionally for targeted at a laptop, desktop, server, and embedded use. We have firstly community, documentation, and training, and you have just to click over here if you want to get started and download VirtualBox binaries and platform packages. We have also here joined the VirtualBox community. Millions of users actively use VirtualBox. Then we have the third one, which is Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and robust security options like shielded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios, while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. Then we have QEMU here, a generic and open resource machine emulator and virtualizer. So QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. Its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of guest OS types and architectures from to ARM. QEMU can operate in two modes: as a full system emulator for running in modified guest operating systems, and as a lightweight virtualizer when paired with KVM, which means kernel-based virtual machine, for improved performance. It's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking adaptable virtualization solutions. As you can see, we have firstly here a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. We have full system emulation, user mode emulation, virtualizer also, and that's it. So VMware is often regarded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its obvious features, including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance under heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is how it works with VMware.com, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and we have QEMU. You can just get started with VMware as the best virtual machines, and you have just to get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.